Chapter 13. Amazing Animal Senses. Sense of Vision. Birds do not have a strong sense of hearing or smell, but they have powerful vision. Birds of prey, like eagle or hawk, can see a rat on the ground from high up in the sky. Eagle, owl, dragonfly. Animals that are active at night also have very sharp eyesight. Cats, tigers and leopards can see very well in the dark. Owls have large, forward-looking eyes. Their eyes allow them to see and hunt in almost complete darkness. Insects, such as dragonflies and houseflies, have compound eyes. The compound eye consists of thousands of lenses. The images captured by these lenses are put together collectively in the insect's brain to give it a complete picture. Sense of hearing. The hair present on the legs of spiders and cockroaches help them to detect sound. Similarly, grasshoppers have hair all over their body to detect sound. Spider. Whales and dolphins use the echoes of their sounds to move through water. Dolphin. Predator animals have a very sharp sense of hearing to locate and catch their prey, example tiger, lion, leopard, cat and dog. Cat. Crocodiles have such good sense of hearing that they can listen to their children while they are still inside their eggs. Sense of smell. Both land and water animals have a very good sense of smell. Most land animals smell through their nose. Dogs have a very strong sense of smell. Trained sniffer dogs are used by the police for tracing bombs, criminals and disaster survivors. Sniffer dog. Sharks have a better sense of smell than any other type of fish. They can detect 1 part of an animal's blood in 100 million parts of water. Sense of taste. Animals like bees, butterflies and houseflies have taste receptors on their feet. This is the reason that a butterfly first walks on the leaves before laying eggs to ensure that the young caterpillars that come out after hatching can eat the leaves. Bee has taste receptors on its feet. Mammals detect taste through taste buds present on their tongues. A cow has about 25,000 taste buds, and a human being has about 10,000 taste buds. Aquatic animals, such as fish, also have good sense of taste. In fish, taste buds are present on their lips, tongue and all over their mouth. Some fish such as goatfish or catfish have barbels or whiskers which act as taste organs. A catfish may have as many as to lack 50,000 taste buds. Sense of touch. The beaks of birds are extremely sensitive to touch. Birds which probe on the ground have additional sensory organs at the tip of their beak. Cats use their whiskers, mustaches, to feel their way in the dark. Butterflies detect changes in air pressure by the hair present on their wings. Communication in animals. Different animals communicate in different ways. Honeybees fly in a dance-like pattern to signal the other bees that they have found food. Apes use symbols to communicate. Insects like ants communicate through the smell of chemicals. Dogs bark, howl, growl or wag their tails to convey their message. Female glowworms make a series of flashes to communicate with the male glowworms. Bee dance. Animals need rest. Animals also need rest like us, hence they too sleep. Bats hang upside down while sleeping, horses mostly sleep while standing, dolphins sleep with one eye open, and some birds can sleep while flying. Snakes sleep with their eyes open because they do not have eyelids. Care for animals. Wild animals are often hunted for their skin, fur, horns and bones. Some people also kill wild animals for sport or fun. To keep the balance in nature, we should discourage hunting and killing of wild animals. Rhino horns. We should not destroy natural habitat of animals by cutting down forests or polluting it. Forests are destroyed for developing land for human use and for commercial activities such as mining. Water bodies are being polluted by releasing toxic substances into them and by oil spilling. We must do everything possible to save the natural habitats of wildlife. At the same time, we should take care of the domestic animals around us. Here are some tips to take care of them. We should be kind to animals because they are also living beings like us. We should love and take care of them. We should not tease or disturb them. We should provide them good food, clean water and safe shelter. We should take a sick animal to a veterinary doctor for treatment.